What is SQL? SQL stands for Structured Query Language. It is a programming language used to communicate with a database by executing queries. Basically, it helps to retrieve data from database. It can insert, update and delete records from a database. Also, it can create new database, tables and views. What is database? Database is a collection of tables or information. A table is a collection of related data entries in rows and columns. In database, the tables or the information are organized in a structured way so that they can easily be accessed, managed and updated. What is view in SQL? View is a virtual table, a child table, that contains data from one or more tables. It doesn't exist physically in the database. Fields in a view are fields from one or more real tables in the database. Let us see SQL commands to create a database and a table. Database name is profile, and the table name is employee. Let us see the commands. First, create database called profile. Then create table employee with the fields ID, name, age, and location. Then add data to table. Display all fields of employee table. Now let us change the table schema by adding one more column that is designation. Next, to modify or delete existing column, use alter modify and alter drop respectively. In the last section, update table's designation column based on name. Then, delete one row, where name equals Albert. As well, to delete database use, drop database profile. SQL commands. Here we have a table. Table name is customers. Let us write the SQL query to get name and age. Select first name, age from customers. And the output is shown down here. Next query is, to get unique names from customers table. Select distinct first name from customers. Next, to get the customer's first name, where the condition is customers live in country UK. Select first name, country from customers where country equals UK. To get the customer's last name of USA where the age should be more than 23. Select last name, age from customers where country equals USA, and age greater than 23. Get the customer's first name of UAE where the age should be less than 30 or country is UK. Select first name from customers where country equals UAE, and age less than 30, or country equals UK.
SQL commands. Table name is customers1. First one is, select asterisk from customers1. So, all columns of the table are returned. Group by clause. Is used to group data rows based on one or more columns in a table. Returns aggregated data instead of individual rows. Used in conjunction with the select statement. Follows the where clause and precedes the order by and having clauses. Used with aggregate functions such as count, max, min, sum, and average. Next, we have sum function. Use the sum function to get the total value of deposited amount. And use the group by statement to group the results by month. Next one is max function. Max command will return the highest value deposited. And group by command groups the data by month vice. Next, average function. Average function calculates the average of a set of values. Here it returns average of the deposited amount per month.
SQL practice. Table name. Products catalog. First question. Write a SQL statement to select all products that has a price higher than $150. Write the query and execute it. Now it shows the products whose price is higher than $150. Next, write a SQL statement to select the products whose title starts with M. Third one. Write SQL statement that allows you to sort all products by price, from the highest price to lowest price. Last one. Write SQL statement to insert the following piece of data into products catalog, such as product ID, name and price. So, use insert command and then display it. And check the result. SQL practice. Table name. Products catalog. Write SQL statement to delete the row for product ID equals 1005. So use delete from products catalog where product ID equals 1005. Now, row is deleted successfully. Check the table. Next, write SQL statement to change the price for the product RAM to $135. Here we use update command to update existing row. It is updated successfully. Write SQL statement to find which product has the highest price from the table. In this example we use subquery method. First the inner query will find the highest price from the table, and then outer query will return corresponding product name. SQL practice. Table name. Products catalog. First one. Write a SQL statement to find product price between $50 and $150. Here, use where clause and between clause to get the result. Next, write SQL statement to find out how many products are there in the table. Let us use count function. It will return the number of rows in the specified table. Write SQL statement to find the product's name either ends with M or E. Use like operator in where clause to search for a specified pattern in a column. %sign indicates any string with 0 or more characters in the search pattern. What is a join clause in SQL? Join clause is used to query and access data from multiple tables, based on logical relationships between those tables. Let us see an example. We have two tables. Table 1 Customer. Table 2 Customer Location. How to combine tables using join clause. In this case, the SQL command selects the customer name, age and ID columns from the customer table and the location column from the customer location table. The on clause specifies the common column from each table. Here it is customer name. Next, what is the age of the people located in Charlotte? Use the join clause and where clause. It will return name, age and location of people who lived in Charlotte. Next, write a SQL statement to find the name and location of the persons whom age is 46. Use join clause and where clause. And check the result. Join clause versus union clause in SQL. Let us understand the differences. Join combines the rows from two or more related tables. It appends result sets horizontally. It joins rows or records of different table based on the given conditions. That is when two tables have a common column. While using join clause, number of columns may or may not change, but the number of rows may increase or decrease. Where union combines the columns from two or more related tables. It appends result sets vertically. Union does not require any condition for joining, but combines when the columns and their attributes are the same. A union will be faster than a join. While using union, number of columns stays the same, but the number of rows definitely increases. Union versus join clause example. Union operator combines the columns from two or more related tables, that is, it appends result sets vertically. Where join clause combines the rows, that is, it appends result sets horizontally. In this example, we have two tables. Table 1 is student details and table 2 is results. First, let us use union operator. It combines the results of two queries into a distinct single result set that includes all the rows that belong to all queries in the union. Next, let us use join clause. It combines rows based on a related column between these tables. Here we have student ID as common in both the table. Inner join versus outer join. Inner join focused on returning common rows and records between two tables. Outer join combine the data and rows based on a common column between them.